Welcome to Physics Trek. I'm Alan J, here with another worked solution to help you improve your physics and to show you best practice in answering questions. This question concerns an object falling under gravity from rest and asks for velocity and the distance fallen in a given time. So let's get started. Here is our question. Question number 2. A stone dropped down a well takes 2 seconds to reach the water surface. Calculate 1. The velocity with which the stone hits the water. 2. The distance of the water surface from the top of the well shaft. And first down the side, for quick reference, are 2 sets of equations for upward and downward movement. Scrutinizing the question and writing out the information in symbol form, we have U, the initial velocity, 0 meters per second. G, the acceleration due to gravity, 9.8 meters per second. And T, the time for the object to fall, 2 seconds. We need to work out what the final velocity is and what is the distance to the bottom. And now to our diagram. We know the object falls down a well. It starts with initial velocity 0 meters per second. It ends up with the final velocity v, which we don't know yet. We know it takes 2 seconds to fall, t is equal to 2 seconds, and we know it falls under gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second. We need to find what is the depth of the well. We'll call that S. We are asked to find the velocity v with which the stone hits the water. We are given u, g and t, so the obvious choice of equation is v equals u plus gt. Let's just get that down. And put the numbers in. U is 0, g 9.8 and t 2. Which comes to 19.6 meters per second. And now to part 2. Here we need to find the distance s. We're given ut and g, so obviously we use s equals ut plus a half gt squared. So here we are. S equals ut plus a half gt squared. Putting the numbers in, u is 0, t is 2, g is 9.8 and t squared is 2 squared. So working all that out, we come to s is equal to 0 plus 19.6, which gives 19.6 meters. Now to our summary. Okay, part 1, the impact velocity is 19.60 meters per second. And as we just worked out, part 2, the vertical distance travelled, in other words, the depth of the well to the surface of the water, is 19.60 meters. And that's all for now. I hope this video has helped you out, and if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate you giving the channel a like, a favourite or a subscribe. You'll probably agree there's nothing like a little praise to do better. I think this is true whatever you're doing. Did you know that you can now see most of the intermediate mechanics questions to be answered on the Physics Trek website? So now you can keep ahead of the videos and have a go at the questions yourself. Anyway, do look out for the next work solution on the topic accelerated motion under gravity, coming soon. And if you want to recap on the previous video, just click the link. Thank you for watching.